In today's video we are going to talk about a new Famicom clone system, but this is not our typical system. This is what we call the Famulator. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in this video we are going to talk about the Famulator, because the Famulator is in the clone system released in 2008. So I found this one on a secondhand site called marktplaats.nl here in the Netherlands, and the person was so kind to send me this just to review, and after the review I'm going to send it back. So a little shout out to you, Mr. Sante. Thank you for just lending me this product, because he has told me this is a very special version. This is not our typical clone that we have reviewed in the past, because I've reviewed a lot of these NES clones. So, but let's talk about a little bit and what are we going to get. So this first thing, I really love the collector box, and the box itself is in very good condition, as you can see over here. So the set comes complete with 2 controllers. So, and when I was doing some research on the device, what I did notice is that this thing has been released in 2008, so it's not very old, or better said, it's not from the 90s. And the reason why is very simple. Back in the day, in 2003, it seems to be Nintendo had lost their patent for making NES or Nintendo systems. So the market was all free, and in Japan it seems to be that all the units that were released having a lot of RF units. So from, let's say, 2003, the retro boom has been created. So that is one of the reasons why there are so many 8-bit systems out there, or better said, clone systems. But the Famulator was released in 2008 and is one of the best clones out there. So, and that's something we're going to try out, and we're going to find out if this is a myth or is it just true. Alright, so let's take a close look what's with the system itself and how does it look. Because I think if it looks horrible, and it will not be very good. Alright, so let's do a little bit of unboxing. It comes with 2 controllers, the power supply that we're not going to use with this video, I'm going to use my own. So if you look at the system itself, it's quite small, it's very tiny. It has 2 ports at the front. We're having here the power and reset, and at the back indeed we're having AV out, and the DC input is 8 volt. Oh wait. I think I need to use this one, because I don't have an 8 volt. That is something that is really strange. 8 volt is a voltage that is not very common. Most of the time they are 9 volts or 12 volts. Alright, this is very curious. How does it look? The power supply looks like a very nice quality version, not a light cheap version I've seen before. Let's take a close look at the controller. The controller itself is unique, very slim. I have never seen a controller like this, so indeed this is very cool. Cyber gadgets, made in China. So these things were produced in China. The D-pad is very sturdy, and it feels so very strange. But again, let me know what you think of this controller. I think it's really cool. Alright, so it's time to hook it up. Let's play some games and let's see what we're going to get with the Famulator from 2008. It's always so much fun to get these old stuff to work on my television, but nevertheless, I think I get it now. Oh, you need to do this. Alright, I'm ready. Let's go, power on. A lot of interference. Don't like that. Alright, so the multicard seems to be working. Just wanted to check out the multicard. Oh, by the way, there is no multicard inside, so it's pure Famulator. Alright, so let's play some games and let's see how they are running. Controls pretty nice. Alright, let's go. I know it's normal, but I see these lines in the screen. That is not normal. Oh, it was almost. I've got myself a helmet. You've got yourself a shield. Gotcha. Gotcha too. Come here, little boy. Ooh, too late. It's the power-up tank. Like the power-ups. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Oh, sounds is not bad at all. Sounds good. But it can be better. Oh crap. I hate this stupid stage. Seriously? I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, I'm doing it totally wrong. Forget about it. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. Still seeing these lines, and I'm guessing I just, by the way, cleaned the connectors when making this video, but I have this feeling there's something wrong with this thing. You can see it very clearly when you're having some, let's say, lighter colors. No, it's not the structure of the building, because you can see it everywhere. I'm Robocop, yeah. Okay, here it comes. I'm Robocop, man. I punch you in the face. Come on. Robocop, yeah. I gonna punch you in the face. Oh, no doggy, be nice. Oh yeah, come on, bring it on. Oh, Mortal Kombat style. I don't know why they did it, but it was really cool. So all the games running on the correct speed. The controllers are really funny. They play very well. Oh yeah. Nope, I'm not going down. Spider-Man. Da, 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 da. Turbo buttons, yeah. Very good turbo buttons, I love it. Come on. Turbo puncher. Just kick him in or punch him in the balls. Batman Turbo style. Oh, crap. He hit me. Alright, let's play a little bit of pinball. A real classic one. Oh yeah, pinball. Alright, so the Famulator is, let's say, a little bit better than all the other versions. I'm not a big fan of it. I even read an article that you can improve the sound if you want to. You need to do some modifications. I don't know if it's been done with this one. I don't don't care, to be honest, because it's not mine. So I'm just going to send it back. I just wanted to show you here on the channel. So, but what I didn't mention in the beginning of this video, and that is something with the chemical test. When smelling it, I don't know what I smell, but it smells like somebody took some diarrhea shit in this thing. More like, it smells really horrible. I don't know what's going on. At first, when trying to test it, I was thinking, is this thing broken? Maybe something happened with it, but as you can see, it just works fine. Alright, so the controller itself, what I really love about it, they are slim, they are cute, but they play so good. I personally think they are better than the original one from the NES. You can of course use the original NES controller on it. It comes in this very nice collectible box. I think that is also very cool. More like this glossy chrome finish to it. So very cool collectible. I'm going to send it back to him. Just fun to see it here on the channel, to show you here. Well, thank you for watching. If you like more of these clothes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, because I have so many great stuff coming up. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and that means I will see you in the next video.